Hi, greetings from Rotary District 3190, Bangalore. Environmental Sustainability Rotary Action Group is a group of committed and passionate Rotarians who work for the environment. In this context, we are conducting a photographic competition focusing on the environment. I request all of you to participate and support the effort to create environmental projects. Thank you.
Greetings to everyone. The International Fellowship of Rotarian Photographers is a group of Rotarians, Rotractors, Interactors, ANs and ANETs who share the common passion of photography. IFRP India chapter is proud to associate with the Environment and Sustainability Rotary Action Group, or the SRAG, in presenting to you Envision. Envision is a photography contest which is aimed at creating awareness about the rich flora and fauna around you, or in general, the environment. We have interesting topics and amazing prizes. Please do participate. The participation is open to everyone. Thank you.
This is the Koira Lake. This is the lake that has been adopted by the Rotary Club of Rajmahal Vilas for its rejuvenation. As you can see, this is about a 19-acre lake. A whole lot of this area, close to about 5 acres, had been encroached upon by the villagers. Once this project was taken up, they were happy to give up their land, as this lake is also the lifeline to a lot of agriculture that happens on this side. After many years, close to 7 of them, they have started growing paddy here once again, simply because the groundwater is now recharged. This is something that they couldn't think of about 5 years ago. As you can see, this is a farming community. You can see a few farmers there. This lake will benefit all of them. This lake currently is in the Arkavati catchment area, and the idea for us is to ensure that the entire bund work is complete. Around this lake there will be afforestation as well. So please come forward and support us through your participation and contribution. Thank you.
Friends, rainwater harvesting is the only solution to the depleting water table that we are facing and the drinking water woes that we are going through. We in Rotary are looking at doing rainwater harvesting at government school. We need your support in the photographic competition organized by SRAG and the project by itself. Thank you so much.
Did you know that a single-use sanitary napkin takes about 500 years to 800 years to disintegrate? The Menstrual Hygiene Team, District 3190, is working towards reducing the menstrual waste generated by single-use disposable sanitary napkins in an area in Rajankunte, North Bangalore, where 2,500 beneficiaries will have access to reusable, safe menstrual products like the cloth pads and the menstrual cups, which will leave a positive impact on the environment. Do join us in the photography competition organized by SRAG and implemented by IFRP. Thank you.